Hello everyone. Today we are going to take our homework of week 11. We started unit 7 and we are going to work with the vocabulary. So now we are going to take this exercise in which you have to recognize the meaning of these words, the use of them too. Let's see. Number 1. A field is an area of land. Okay, it is used for growing plants and keeping animals. 2. To steal is a verb, is an action. It's a not good activity. To steal something that doesn't belong to you means to commit a crime. Number 3, the climate of an area is a sort of weather, so it is kind of synonym. 4, financial things and activities are related to money. 5 is something spreads. It means that something moves or grows and affects a larger area. 6, he worked on an industrial estate. It means an area with a lot of small factories. 7, the border between two countries is a line that marks where one country stops and the other begins. 8, a port is a place by the edge of the sea where boats can arrive and leave from. 9, agriculture is the work of growing plants and keeping animals. 10, an ocean is a large area of water, bigger than a sea. 11, pollution is things like chemicals and smoke from factories that damage the air. It is in singular because when you mention uncountable nouns, you have to use the singular form of the verbs. 12, something that is tiny is small. 13, a plant is a factory where things are made. 14, something is right in front of you, right behind you, and right alongside you. It is exactly in that position. 15, to murder someone means to commit a crime. A person. 16, something that is rural is in the countryside. 17, a farm is a large area in the country with fields, and it is used for growing plants and keeping animals. 18, if a place is green, there are lots of trees and parks. Green also means connected to the protection of the environment. 19, if somewhere is off a larger place, it is close to it or connected to it, but not in it or on it. Finally, steel is a strong metal made of iron and cotton. Thank you very much.